Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send a package with Royal Mail. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I found the best way to do this is to head on over to royalmail.com, and now on their main page here we've got a send little tab. So go ahead and click on send, and then it says what are you looking to send. So go ahead and click on the little drop down menu, and if you're looking at if it's a letter up to a tube up to 20 kilograms, just go ahead and choose which one. So if I'm going to say send a medium parcel, I'm going to click that. Now we need to go ahead and click on send your item. Now a new web page is going to open, so this is going to be step number 1, your item. Okay, so we're going to have to answer some questions about your item. So we got the medium parcel selected, but if you want to change, we can. So it goes up to actual large parcel here, so this is up to 30 kilograms. Now, where's your item going? So you need to make sure you're going to have to put in the right thing. So I'm going to say United Kingdom, scroll down, what's the weight of your item? So say my item's up to 5 kilo, I'm going to go ahead and select that. And then from here, we need to go ahead and click on continue. Now we need to choose our service. So we got different sending options here. So we got Royal Mail special delivery guaranteed by 1 p.m, track 24, express 24, and we've actually got 16 more services. So they're going to show you exactly what you're going to get with that. So Royal Mail special delivery, it's going to have tracking, signature, guarantee, Royal Mail, and this is going to be one of the most expensive ones from £19, but we got cheaper options. You can go ahead and click on the show 16 more services to find something that suits your needs, and then go ahead from here, click continue. So I'm just going to do track 24, and then you want to put in the recipient's email address and recipient's phone number, then click continue. Now if you're missing contact details, just double check, make sure you got that in. I'm just skipping that for now because this is just a demonstration video. Okay, so where's your package going? So go ahead and put in your passcode or your destination. So for example, I'm sending it here. Now we need to jot in the recipient's name, company name, and then also we've got please tell us where the safe place is in case there's no one at the property. So we can click the drop down menu. If there is a safe place, go ahead and choose one. So you enclosed porch, shed, reception, garage, outer building, other. So just go ahead and click one and then click continue. Then from here, where are you sending it from? Just go ahead and put in your postcode, and then put in your sender name or company name, and then we can show this address on the label if you want, or you can go ahead and disable that. Now, are you able to print your label at home? If you are, click yes, or click no if you can't. So say yes or no, and where would you like to drop your item off or have it collected? So we got these different options here. So we go ahead and drop off at a Royal Mail shop, arrange a collection, drop off at a parcel locker, and then basically go ahead and click add to basket. Then from here, obviously I need to make sure to fill out the sender name, and on the next page we can go ahead and add in our, so add to basket, and then we want to check out. Okay, so it's going to show us our basket like so. Make sure the to and from is correct. We don't want to make any mistakes here. We can edit this if we like. We can send a similar item, and it's going to show you drop off at Royal Mail shop. Now from here we want to go ahead and put in your email address and obviously your name. Make sure to select I confirm, and I confirm the read and understand the terms and conditions. Select the payment method, and then once you've selected your payment method, go ahead and put in your payment method and then click confirm and pay, and then just follow the instructions with how you are going to send that package off. So for me, I'm going to send it at Royal Mail, so I'm going to go to drop off at Royal Mail shop there. Now make sure, because also it says here I'm going to print off the paperwork or print with QR code at a Royal Mail shop.